Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to report a stolen Amazon package. If you've had a delivery marked as complete but never actually received it, Amazon has a straightforward process to help you resolve this issue and potentially get a refund or replacement. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases and their delivery statuses. Now, although I don't have any orders right now, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do. Once you're on the orders page, scroll through your order history and locate the specific package that shows a status of delivered. This is the order you believe was stolen or never arrived despite Amazon's tracking confirmation. After you've found the correct order, click on Problem with Order. This button is designed specifically for situations like this where something has gone wrong with your delivery. A new menu will pop up with several options for what might have gone wrong. From the available choices, select Item Not Received or Package Was Stolen if that specific option appears in your case. Amazon tailors these options based on your order details, so the exact wording might vary slightly, but the meaning will be clear. Next, you'll be prompted to provide more information about what happened. Type a short explanation stating that the package was marked as delivered but is missing. Be sure to include any relevant details that appear on the page, such as the delivery date, time, or location. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for Amazon to process your claim efficiently. Once you've written your explanation, look for the button that says Submit, Request Refund, or whatever confirmation option is displayed on your screen. Click that button to send your report to Amazon. This action officially notifies them of the issue and starts the review process. After submitting your claim, it's important to keep an eye on your communications with Amazon. Open your Amazon messages within your account or check your email inbox for any reply or further instructions from their support team. They may ask for additional details or inform you about the next steps, such as issuing a refund or sending a replacement. Additionally, you have the option to contact Amazon's customer service directly regarding your stolen package. This can be especially helpful if you want immediate assistance or if your case is more complex and requires detailed explanation. And that's all there is to it. You've now reported your stolen package to Amazon and set the wheels in motion for a resolution. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.